Randomly walking turtle function not doing what I want it to. I have to write a program where a turtle takes 90-degree turns, chosen randomly as left or right, around the screen, until it hits a wall, takes a 180-degree turn and goes back to walking around the screen. When it's hit the wall 4 times, the loop terminates. The problem I'm having is that when it bounces off the wall it just stops walking, and the loop has clearly terminated as I can close the window by clicking on it, wn.exit and click. Here's the full program. I'm confused as to why it stops, considering once the turtle bounces back, its X and Y coordinates meet the requirements for ISIN screen, W, T, to be true and thus go back to walking. Any ideas? Edit, accepted Sukrit's answer as it was the easiest to relate to what I'd already programmed and gave me a few pointers on other stuff, but Brian's answer was very useful too, and I'd accept both if it was possible. Thanks a lot to both of you.
Your counter equals counter plus 1 is wrong. When your ISIN screen returns false, the while loop breaks and the code ends, since the counter is being incremented but you don't loop over again. See the following code. P.S. You don't need a variable to store still in. If the if condition evaluates to true, just return false, and if it doesn't return true, change is reflected in the above code.
Your big while loop there is the cause of failure, and you know that. So what you can do is make the while loop just check the counter only and not do the ISIN screen as part of the while loop. Now for checking if you can go forward, you can cheat by looking before you leap, that is add the value of 50 to your current position and check to see if you will be in screen, if not go forward, otherwise go as close as you can, increment the collision counter, and then turn around. Alternatively, Sukrit Kulra's answer might be easier to implement.
As an alternative to the nested loops and to avoid some redundant statements, the following should produce the same result as Sukrit's answer. The core issue is making sure that ISIN screen returning false does not cause your while loop to terminate while also incrementing counter within the loop body.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.